sacrifice everything to be an underground king. Underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an underground king. King.
What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the UP King, the people's champ, and I'm back with another video. So listen, this is something that I've been wanting to do for quite some time, but I haven't had a chance because I've just been extremely busy. I mean, I ain't even dropped a video in a month or so. So what I wanted to do was talk about this place right across the street from my shop. And there's my shop there, right across the street. Now this shop here, or this building here, is Flint Auto Recycling. And this place is an automotive recycling center, or what we like to call boneyards. You know, they don't like to be called junkyards because they're not selling junk. But these guys take care of me. So they get me everything that I need, old parts, new parts, you know, aftermarket stuff. They get everything for me. I probably get, I say, about 95% of my stuff from them that I need to run my shop. And I'll show you some examples in a second. But I just wanted to do a shout out video to them, all the guys that work here and make everything a whole lot easier for me. So big shout out to Dale, the owner, Tom and Dan running the front counter, you know, Scott and James always getting me my parts. You know, great group of guys, and they always look out for me, give me the best deals. So if you're in Michigan and you're looking for a place that you need to get some good quality parts from, and a good group of guys that they handle their business and they look out for their peoples, check them out, Flint Auto Recycling. Now, with all that being said, if you saw the photo or the pics at the very beginning of this video, that's the kind of work that I do when I get parts from them guys, which allows me to do that kind of work. So I do a lot of cut and paste work, and I'll show you what I mean. As you can see, we got a smashed up Dodge Ram truck. But here goes a quarter that I had those guys cut out for me so I could section it out and fix another vehicle. Here's a Suburban. Got T-bone. We'll be fixing that. Couple G-bodies coming soon. But let's stay on track. A lot of scrap parts from a lot of work that I've been doing. As you can see, another quarter panel. Bunch of parts that I've been taking off, getting to. Yet another quarter panel. Hoods, door skins. Another old school coming soon. Another T-bone job here. And this one here, we're gonna make a separate video about it once I get the chance, because this one has been here before and it's back. But another cut and paste job that we're gonna have to do because it's been rear-ended. So just showing you a little bit of the work that I do here at the shop and why you haven't seen me. Yeah, so that's just a lot of the work that I'm doing right now. And my question to you guys is, would you like to see a lot of that cut and paste work that I do? You know, cutting out panels, replacing door skins, just, you know, a lot of the work that you don't get to see that's behind the scenes that, you know, I don't think that everybody will want to see it, but maybe I'm wrong. So, you know, jump in the comments, let me know, what do you think? Is that something that you want to see? Or as we got Spider-Man in the background, but is that something that you want to see? Would you like to see some cut and paste work just like the pictures that you saw at the beginning of the video? And if so, like I said, jump in them comments, let me know what you think, and let me know if that's what you want to see also. Not just the paint work, not just the paint guns, the reviews and stuff like that. We'll still continue to do all of that, but do you want to see, you know, some real cut and paste work? I know a lot of you car flippers, y'all might like that. So, you know, jump in the comments, let me know. So listen, again, shout out to those guys and shout out to James, because James stays on me every day that I see him about making videos. He's one of my big supporters and a subscriber on the channel. He watches all the videos and supports me in everything I do. And I actually got a chance to do a little work for him. So, and he's got some other things that he wants to do. So, big shout out to James, man. He keeps me motivated and keeps me on my toes to get some of this stuff done and make these videos. So he's been on me for a long time since I ain't been making no videos. But we getting back to that. We're gonna have a lot of footage dropping here soon. So listen, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Y'all enjoy y'all day. It's beautiful out here. Hopefully it's beautiful wherever you at. And listen, it's your boy, the UP King, the People's Champ, and we out.
It's everything to be an underground king. I sacrifice everything to be an